You want to play with your letters? Okay, can you show me which one is the H?
H.
Thank you. Can you show me which one is the Q?
Q. Q.
Thank you.
Q.
Yeah. Can you show me which one is the W?
W. N.
It looks like an M when it's upside down. That's right.
W.
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 Can I have it? Thank you. Can you find me the one that looks like the C?
C.
Thank you.
C.
Can you find the T? There's the T. Can you find the L? Yeah. Can you find the G? Yeah. Can you find the K? Can you find the I? What's this one? Oh, it's for Ollie!
Oh.
Nice work, buddy.